Thank you so much for 1K. Oh my god. I'm like so excited. I've never asked anybody to share my stuff, but once I was at 990, I had to. I was like, please people, please share my stuff, because it was just so exciting for me. And thank you to everyone who has been sharing. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, my name is Stephanie, but you could call me Fanny. As you did see by the title of this video, I will be doing a what's in my bag video. I used to watch these back then, and I used to love them. I still watch them today, and I decided to just do it for fun and see how it goes. I don't know if my viewers who have been watching me noticed, but I did make it to 1,000 subscribers. So I want to say thank you so much to each and every one of you who have been supporting me, who have been watching my videos, who have been giving it a like, comment, and I just wanted to thank you so much for being a part of this and helping me out, because you know, this isn't easy. Talking to a camera, it's kind of weird. It was kind of weird, like it was obviously more nerve-wracking back in the beginning, but I'm slowly getting more used to it. I know I still sound a little shy sometimes. I'm very nervous right now because, like I said, I'm so excited that I made it to 1K. I feel like that is something that I am really excited about right now, because I never thought that I would really do this good. And like I said, I just want to say thank you so much. And if you want to watch this what's in my bag video, then please keep on watching, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and comment any video suggestions you have for me, and subscribe to my channel if you're new. Welcome. And thank you to everyone who has been sharing on their Instagram stories, on the Facebook, and just sharing around with your friends. Thank you so much. Let's not stop doing that. Let's keep sharing. Let's keep you know, sharing around with family and friends, just so you know. Anyway, let's get right into this video. So here I have my bag, and I will be showing you, of course, what I have in it, what I feel that I need, and maybe this will help you out. So this is really big on the inside, so I'm just gonna go little by little. It doesn't really have too many little bags in here. It's kind of just everything is in here. I've been wanting to buy this organizer that I saw on Amazon, just to keep everything organized. Of course, that's what an organizer is, but I've been wanting to get one of those. I saw a really cute red one, and I feel like it will look really cute in this bag, so I need that. So the first thing that I have, or that I will be showing, is my water. I feel like everybody needs to drink their water, so I have my water in my bag just in case I get thirsty or anything like that. I just have it for, like, you know, for hydration. You need to keep yourself hydrated, so that's why I have it. I'm sorry, it's like really bad weather today, so my hair is not cooperating because of the weather today, so don't mind my hair. So the next thing I have is lotion. This is from Victoria's Secret. I'm actually running out, so I need another small lotion. So I feel like lotion is very important, you know, sometimes you need lotion, so period. So the next thing I have is a little fragrance, also from Victoria's Secret. This is my favorite one. Let me just, oh, do you smell that? But anyway, this is my favorite one from Victoria's Secret. It is a very sexy one. I used to smell like this in high school. I still smell like this. So, you know, this is like my signature fragrance. I love it so, so much. Like, so much. So the next thing I have is, I always have a little snack in my bag, whether it's like a little bar like this, or like anything really, anything that's a snack. I really like to have a snack in here just in case I get a little hungry and I just want to calm that hunger, so I just have something small like this. I also have my wallet where I carry my ID, my credit card, my debit card, and just receipts and some cash. So I think this one is, I actually forgot where I got this. I think my older sister gave it to me, and I've always been in love with the brightness and the color of it, the type, like the shade of red it is. It's like a candy red, so I really like that. So, you know, you already know, I got some hand sanitizer in here because so, you know, just trying to keep our hands, so we're just trying to keep our hands clean. And I also have some headphones in here just in case. I mean, I used to use headphones all the time when I was going to school on campus, and I would obviously take the bus, and I would always use my headphones. I don't really use them anymore because, you know, I'm not taking the bus right now. The next thing I have is, I usually take another fragrance if it fits in whichever bag I'm using. When I do use this big one, I do decide to take a bigger fragrance sometimes, and this is from Bath & Body Works, and this is my favorite. It smells so fruity. It just smells good. When you smell me, I will be always smelling fruity. I don't know, like whether it's winter, summer. Of course, I go overboard when it's summer, but I still like to smell like, you know, that type of good in the winter. But I also, for the winter, my favorite one is Winter Candy Apple. This is my favorite winter one. Like this, if I'm using anything that's not so so fruity, this is what I will be smelling like. So the next thing I have is a little beauty bag that Ezzy Beauty sent me, and I keep this in this bag just so what do I have in here? So I have some cash in here that should be in the red thing. I have some lip gloss that Ezzy Beauty also sent me, and you know, sometimes I just leave the house and don't remember to take my lipstick or anything like that, and I go out to eat, and so I usually just have things like this to, you know, make my lips look cute. And I also have this little lip balm that Ezzy Beauty also sent me, which is in the name Carillo. This is what it looks like, and then this one is Nini. So the next thing I have is, I have a pair of lashes that Ezzy Beauty also sent me in this style. And the reason I have these in here was because I went out one day and I took my lashes, and then I just got tired of them and I took them off just because it was kind of getting late, and I just wanted to like take them off. So I do take the box with me whenever I wear eyelashes, just in case I want to take them off and I don't want to lose them. So that's why I have them in here. And then I also have a scrunchie in here just in case I want to put my hair back and I don't have a hairband. I also have a normal hairband. And then I have a little comb just in case, a little hairbrush just in case. And then I have another lip gloss that Ezzy Beauty also sent me. This is in the name Fairy. And then, and then in here I have some rings. So again, like the lashes, if I go out and I'm wearing like a lot of rings and I want to take them off, but I don't want to lose them, I don't want to put them in my pocket because I could lose them, then I just put them in here, and then I just forget about them until I get home, and then I just reorganize everything in my room. So that is what I have in my little beauty bag, or just a little essential bag inside of the big purse. So the next thing I have is Tylenol. You know, sometimes if we go out, we're not feeling good, or we have like a headache, or we get a headache. So I like to just be prepared and have these pills just in case, like I said, I'm not feeling good or whoever I'm with isn't feeling good. And yeah, I just think that this is something that everyone needs just in case, you know, you're not feeling good. And you know, who likes to feel sick or anything? Because I don't. I feel like I'm talking so fast that I can't catch my breath. So the next thing we have here is, you know, the most important thing with this pandemic going on, which is face masks. I have these two just in case, you know. These are obviously reusable. We could just wash them and then use them again. So I got these in here just in case, because I usually walk out the house and then I'm like, oh, my mask. So that's why I have them in here, just so if I do forget it, then I know that I have some extra ones in here. These are clean and I just have them in here, like I said, for emergencies. And honestly, I feel like this was a very quick video, but again, I didn't wanna, I feel like I was talking so fast, so that's how we got through it so fast. But anyway, this is all I used in my bag. I feel like the most important thing is your water, because you need to stay hydrated wherever you're at. Okay, just stay hydrated. And what else is my obviously the masks are very important. This right here is everything is important, okay? Because I'm the type to get annoyed really quick, so I feel like this is very handy. So if I have something on me that I don't want and I don't want to lose it, like my rings or my bracelets, like this one, I don't really usually wear jewelry, but when I do, I get really tired of them really quick. So that's why that bag is really helpful for me. So if you're like that, then definitely have a little bag with you, so that you know, you can keep yourself organized. And so that completes this video. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what I should have in my bag that I didn't mention. I'm sure I usually have other things, but this time I kind of just cleaned out my bag and I made sure that I made sure that these for sure were in my bag. But like, I feel like I'm missing some things. Obviously my phone, I have it right here. It's charging, but I obviously have my phone in here. Oh, I know. So I figured out what I was missing: a mirror. I always have a mirror in my bag just in case, you know, I get emotional or something and I have mascara running through my face and I need to like clean myself up. Then I have a mirror, but I usually just take my mirrored case. So I have my mirror case in my bag, and then usually I use it as a mirror, or I usually just switch up the case. Whichever case I have on my phone, I switch it off, and then I keep that case in my bag, and then I have this one on my phone as I like touch up my makeup or apply my lipstick or anything like that. So yeah, I don't use a regular schmegular mirror. I just use my case. So we're just gonna... I had one job. This bag is literally so huge. I dropped it and I thought I was gonna make it and it just fell on the floor. That's just great. Anyways, this completes today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment, any video suggestions you have for me. Don't forget to subscribe, you know, share around with your friends, with your family. And most importantly, I hope you all are being safe. And thank you so much again for 1,000 subscribers. I'm honestly still like really hyper about that, because I'm just like so excited. I'm so excited and happy that I accomplished this, and I just want to thank each and every one of you who have shown me support. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I love you all.